How do I get a property tax penalty waiver? Imagine opening your property tax bill and seeing a penalty fee added because you missed the deadline. It can be frustrating, but there are ways to possibly reduce or eliminate those extra charges. If you're wondering how to do that, stay tuned because I'll walk you through the steps to get a property tax penalty waiver. First, you need to understand what qualifies as a valid reason for a waiver. Usually, tax authorities will consider reasons that show you had a good cause for paying late. Common acceptable reasons include serious illness or injury that prevented you from paying on time, or the death of a close family member around the due date. Hospital stays or unexpected emergencies that made it impossible to handle your taxes can also be valid. Sometimes, errors made by the tax office or reliance on wrong advice from a government official can be grounds for a waiver. On the other hand, reasons like simply forgetting to pay, not receiving your tax bill without proof, or assuming your mortgage company would handle the payment are generally not accepted. It's important to have documentation to support your claim. This could be medical records, proof of mailing, or official correspondence showing your circumstances. Next, you will need to fill out the proper form required by your local tax office. This might be called an application for waiver of delinquent fees or a request for penalty forgiveness. Make sure to sign the form and include all supporting documents. Some places might requiring you to pay the full amount of property taxes before they consider your request. If your waiver is approved, the penalty fees could be refunded or deducted from your bill. Once you submit your application, expect a waiting period. It can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months for the tax office to review your case. During this time, they will evaluate your reasons and supporting evidence to decide if the penalty fee can be waived. If your request is denied, you can usually appeal or provide additional information. Contact your local tax office to find out what the next steps are. To make the process easier, keep detailed records of all your payments and communication with the tax office. Always pay your property taxes on time whenever possible to avoid penalties altogether. If you do face a penalty, act quickly and gather solid proof to support your case. Remember, understanding your local rules and deadlines for penalty waiver requests can help you navigate the process smoothly. Getting a property tax penalty waiver is about demonstrating a valid reason for late payment, submitting a complete and honest application, and following your local procedures. Stay organized, be patient, and don't hesitate to reach out to your tax authority for guidance.